Mama wakwaba wo friend me adwoa searching mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel. Me a notification bell also for more news. Ebusuafo emofre bi a omukọ free SHS. Omo kire se ba ko so shoemaker ne ba ko kra do nyu bi a ohwe no. Se say ne de na hohoaho a say his excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo e de Ghana sika abo omo ho bra edi omo ho dwuma ende omo nso etimi ewe free SHS bia omo name omo de to omo abraba so nti omo de appreciation kese pa omo ka say thank you to his excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo one for free SHS and bank komeye den the free SHS ya be Ghana fu bisi wonti ase adanya NDC fosi e ma no one branch chinchina free SHS denye ende mo free da his excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo ase so the free SHS abromo omo abrabo ebesi omo ye dache nyese bi omo awofo entimi hwe omo anke bi omo awofo niska kra nkom de omo ti bepempema nenso his excellency wa mana aye easy amom yeti ensema wo fe de etudwa na ebusuafo oman pani dada John Dramani Mahama de ensem bi atudwa enam so na Ghana fo bebre na omo akomadwen de akere no afa ensem a oman pani dada John Dramani Mahama de atudwa no na personally me so kra mentiase na ebusuafo de me ka senche ne yenti ensem oman pani dada John Dramani Mahama de atudwa ne sansomra.
You go to places and the teachers are conniving with the children to cheat. The effect of this will be seen later. Because you certify these children, you say he's of this standard, either basic BCE or SSCE, and that child will use that certificate, go abroad to a school, and they'll find that in Ghana your qualification is not up to what you say it is.
Ebusuafo ensem we na oman pani dada John Dramani Mahama etumi ahwenya me anim de atudwa na sometimes eya mentiase medwea I don't think far, I don't think madness bibisa me ho say Ghana fo mpanifo titiri pa ene NDC fo no oman pani dada John Dramani Mahama omunim se ensem omuka no enye and almost sheda eka because of politics inti and because of say 2024 Ghana for beto about more because in the omo dry person mobile power and I say near what can on tiase because politics and education eba ne saying na mode education eba politics free SHS are his excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo a promises or the every Ghana free yemfa ne say sa free SHS ya his excellency e dey abe e Ghana free na enya so mfa so because yen gold timber bauxite diamond na de ade no yenya so mfa so nti sa ban bi aba na say sika no de bi hwe Ghana ni ba de hye anka ohawe wo me ne say oman pende da John Dramani Mahama si free SHS na mofra his excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo e de aba Ghana for mofra yekono say NPP for e pese Ghana for who say free SHS no e boanti e no mo hyeda mofra na po say o mo fantra exams no mo twa say na be ya Ghana for who say free SHS no eye na oman pani dada e kire say sa result ye ba out me kire 70% ye mofra ye try sabofre bia etam ni certificate e de kwa brochiri sisi a ebe ye baller because we nsua hwe e no dey try na oman pende da John Dramani Mahama no e na me di nkan ne maintain ase ye na yanko free SHS ye tua school fees ye mu bi e try more than the free SHS for free atwe ye na yanko free SHS ye mu bi e faili more than the mo free bi e faili education no eyesa adenimi no onima onim eyadoma chede obi wo naturally onimade obi wo nso onimade obesua de ne weho obi wo nso onimade but on pa bisua ntine wa abom ewo bebre nti sa bofre bi akọ school na we atwa doesn't mean say apo anase free SHS na NPP fo wo pe ya pese Ghana fo hu say eye papa nti e no mu twa na omu nimade dada nti o ma pe da John Dramani Mahama pese o ka kire nse Ghana ha no ye ni nyansenya bofre bia wa ha ye ni ma bofre bia naturally onimade na wo man penda da John Dramani Mahama say wo ko free SHS wo twa he and our more friend, almost school or Ghana had as almost school amanone. So we school or Ghana had no much.
I'll condemn free education. What when Yanni, I watch and see what was him 2023 quite a year. When Yanni, I watch and see what was him. Who won't go for the memo for so, and then go for the bow. Now, because I go for the Tiasi, and a number Marco school. Go for the Tiasi, and a near Tiamu Muscle Fisca. I go now, Ghana can watch out about Twain. Yes, NDC Ghana, Wako, yes, it is. Ghana, I wish the camera could pay. Sikani require a canon penal, yet be cheer Ghana for my school fees, yet be ye as fat a quay, a quay for you Ghana. So when you Ghana quay in our pa, a quay a kufuado, and a bawomia be you Ghana. And no crown of Ghana from Cassie appreciate it. A quine keke, a quine papa, a quine papa keke. Hello, and no crossing can appreciate it. Astroturf, Magaza, Astroturf now, park and with this one, every one will chill, and no crescent can more appreciate it. Ghana for the be a william grass for. Money more Don Mama and this way. Muntie, Don Mama have nothing for Ghana. Just a Ghana near we yate. Now you said Don Mama be the presenter, young but Ghana, and I Ghana Muchiniana. Hey, Ghana for 2023, I say, Master Jamadiam, a Chiniana say yate. Eye Jimmy Pana Ghana for Domama na mumu chusu. Na Domama the policies there. But when we are planning the digitalization, but we are planning grand koso, school for koso. Na Ghana for more a bay for a year for Ghana year for bay for I say Domama Bani bay. We are the one. Hey, NDC at na bench for so many years. NDC Bana mumu. Mum Ghana for pa said your mama casa more short memory. And your mama see radio hospital. About what a function bra. What your Santa radio hospital Kobe. About your financial teaching hospital as well. The bank job and nothing at Waba. And nothing at Waba. Meanwhile, Kusi, Michao, Yabokusi. And nothing at Waba. Yet Waba, a criminal to about policies. Policies in Tinia Waba. Wo Ghana president bia my Kwame Nkrumah entimi ama Ghana for men nyina ko school ama me man ko bi jo mama no wati sirem bole bamboy Kwame Nkrumah hunu sirem fo se mo ye hiafo awon kire wo sirem e ma sirem fo ko school e ma jo mama entimi ko bi abe president ko yeni no wati Ghana Kumasi etia central region voter region central region se jo mama ba no beto mo ye moa mo na me ka kire mo I'm what to Yampia. Your mama saw bar, obey free education. Oba the Chamomadi Kaka 2016 Omanka 2020 Omukai, almost mobile free education become as all my maybe a tier and bus school fees. It's a little more than I message. Not Captain Smart night, ye papers, Kabuni bank account to move at 2 years the Captain Smart yesterday. Yesterday, any a Gaza, your mama, Yeska, I got told out Dubai, any day. Your mama never see or the got out Dubai, Captain Smart, what boy. Your mama bag and any baby and way, young for so, and this is so. Your mama now taught Mahabo, Ama and so Bruni, Ama Yentimi Kao Ghana. Because you're 4 journalists.
Square pegs in round holes and it's not fitting. And you intentionally block it and say, oh, name is Jimino, Jimino. That is John Dramani Mahama. Or can't quasi asem. John Mahama can answer a cafe Yansa enim. Not doing Yaduma. Appetition now, one no who's appetition, no do baby, say what that is what is happening to John Mahama. Or Bodamba. John Mahama no or Bodamba and Kakra one here one do about run who in a stage no run or Bodamba. His brain is not working. Listen, that Apomudin. No fan me. Like I said, I was trying to prepare myself, but I can't. Yeah? Healthcare, Apomudin, is the most important thing to any country, unless you belong to NDC. And a healthcare in the papa. But look at the thing John Mahama fights against. He was in parliament when NDC MPs walked out of national health insurance. Not of the parliament. Parliamentarians, no come home. Utie, mechremo. Free maternal care. Yedija woman wo gu no cause on tisania manase enya no in the forte. Very stupid man is he. ono onfa bi ma. That will be the bar or best say no. That is stupid man. Onye nyame. Nyame kwesi apia we penny na wembu ho a. Don't expect me say mebu. Utie. We are penny now with the every chance be a ubenya be obanuma petesia betina social media betina radio so I can kwasia somewhere. Ya beka trust a walk kwasia. Ghana for electricity. Uso wa Daniel Dwen funu. And now a board Dwen funu person obedi Ghana force na Ghana for ni bi kura flag. John Mahama will come again. Nyamin tiamoka. Mwa kwa siampa for na mo pesa Mahama. Aba back to power ni na nyankopon tiamoka mako. Mo bako free education o mu faili. Omunya F omunya J flat. Especially NDC for no man mo faili free education ne sa cause mo flag bearer na jini nya adwuma. Ade aboa mo no ohu. Wono na osia se wo ye hiafo party. Ubi sa na nhyehyɛ ye ode aba ma hiafo a wo ni bi. Again, a competent man touts their achievements. They don't tout uncompleted projects. Now, before I remember education, we so anything I'm a soldier because education, they will attack education and health. You are attacking me. Because the free education is benefiting me. So anybody that attacks it, I will attack you, including John Darega Kromfo Mahama, Airbus Embraer thief, criminal man. John Mahama, or no kwana person here do cocaine, you fa baby a president eko town Nebruchire, Jimmy for, that's who he is. And anybody that support John Dramani Mahama is equally as foolish as his master. When you see free education and you tell me that is not a good thing, but we should rather share the money for people in houses, what Jimmy for? That is why somebody like Ebenezer Gomado, so Houdino. You see the name? Very foolish boy. Kwasiampa power you join funu krache Mahama name. Jimmy akwasiampa for we na Mahama ka tro so muntu to sini na mbro mbetu akono because Jimmy for Mahama apan so na buwa bi sa no wontumi nko school. Nkwasiafo bi so sa no mo wo se ntwamoa. Wuko voter regional wo mo sabe predia se bi mo fa nchame. Wamu wosa mmoa NDC fuo no mu. Wukọ baabi a NDC fuo no wini na. Wamu wosa ntwamoa, wamu wosa mmoa. Wutie, wamu wosa mmoa so ntumi nhwe wamu mani na adane am robbers. Edisa kwasi ampani bi ba begina ba be kan bi a choma na mo esom. They don't research. You are a fool. And your John Dramani Mahama has shown the reason why he will never become president again in Ghana. John Mahama becoming president in Ghana is just as equal as saying that everybody in Ghana is a fool and they are no longer right-thinking people in Ghana no more. It doesn't make fucking sense. You might like him as a person. He might be a cute man. Maybe an hoye, but with Jimmy. Mahama with Jimmy or Kasa on Jeno because or can't quasi assembly we are and son was in American quasi assembly in Amake. Now, Otimi can kwasi assembly because akwasi ampafu akotwifo bi ampa adwuma ya from Ghana for ni bi. So. Obi a